Hey there everybody, here's a little update what we've been up to, because I've been uploading videos from my trip to Asia. I still have a bunch left. I want to get rid of them because it costs money to make. So what I'm doing right now, I'm painting the walls on the pool, because when we got back from Asia, this wall, and it looks bad. I don't know what happened, so I'm gonna repaint it. I got some paint left over, a little bit. I think I'll be able to get this piece finished. This piece here I'll probably paint another color because I have some leftover yellow paint. But pool is looking good, and I'm only painting that far. I'm not going to paint that piece there. But I did this a little while ago. As you can see by my shirts, I'm covered with paint. So I'm going to do this piece here. You know, you work a couple hours, then you go sit in the shade because it's hot. It is hot. And I got my music over there to, you know, keep me entertained. Check it out. Yeah, I got on loud. I gotta stir up the paint. I hope I have enough to finish this wall here. I hope. There's not a lot left. So I've got this cardboard that I lay on edge. Whoever designed this pool originally, the yard is big enough. They could have had a little further away from the walls. You don't have to be a circus artist to be working here. It's kind of a dumb design, but one of these days we're gonna put this up for sale and build another house, or start building another house and then put this up for sale. You find out. So this cardboard here I put so I don't get paint along the edges here. I threw away all the cardboards we had when we were cleaning up when we got back from Asia. And I knew as soon as I threw it away I need it. And yeah, that's how that goes. I threw away the cardboards, and then I needed for this edge. Oh man, it rained. This is wet now. That's okay. Put this along the edge here to edge the painting. Keep that thing from getting all nasty. And yeah, that'll work. I lay a block on it. I don't want it to fall into the pool. Yeah, it is a weird edge, weird place to work. But what can we do? Gotta take these sunglasses off because I don't want to get paint on them. So these have got to come off. As you can see, I'm covered with paint. Totally covered. I can't put on my music right now because I don't want to get copyright. Yeah, this is a kind of tough area to be painting because of this narrow edge on the pool. Hey guys, I still got a bunch of videos from my trip to India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, South Korea, Taiwan. I don't have much from Taiwan left. So please check those out. I still need to upload those because it costs me a lot of money to film. So even though I am back this part of the world, I am going to keep uploading them. So please watch them. Please leave a comment. And yeah, I'll give you some updates on what's going on with us in this part of the world also. I used to have the video of the flood in Merida, terrible flood. And I bought a new cell phone because my Pixel 6 died, so I bought myself a Uli phone, Armor 33 Pro. So I got a video coming out of that. Check it out. It'll be out before this video is. And check out what we're up to here. Yeah, this is tricky place to be painting. You kind of got to hold on to the edge of the wall. Why they designed the pool like this, I don't know, but that's the way we got it. That's the way we got it. But when we build our new home, it will be much better. Actually, here is not too bad because here I can stand on two corners, but when I'm more over there, it will be harder to do. I just pray that I have enough paint to finish this wall. I don't really want to go buy more paint right now. Paint is expensive, man. But since it's got one coat already, it should be good. It just takes one more coat and gets nice and white like you see back here. I won't have enough for that piece over there, but paint that a different color. I got like a yellowish kind of color. Yeah, this is the trick here, see? When you're on an edge like this, oh man, hold on and paint at the same time. But it's working. Well folks, that is it. I ran out of paint. There's my paint bucket, there it is. Completely dry. I actually needed just a very little bit. You probably saw in the time lapse that I was doing. I need a little bit just for this section here. So what I did, I put in a little bit of water, stirred it up with a paintbrush, and then hey, I got it done. I got it done. This side here I'm gonna paint a yellow color because I think I have some yellow paint left. I'm not gonna film that for you guys. This is enough. Put this light back on. I bought these on Point South. Bought these on Mercado Libre. They're really, really good. Got them 2 years now. Most of them are holding up good. That one there does have a little water in it. I'll aim it tonight. Tonight I'll aim it good. I know this is South P going this way. This pointing north. Yeah, this one here got a little moisture in it, see? A little bit of moisture, but not too bad. I gotta get the net right now and get that garbage out of the pool, but yeah, it's looking good. Looking really good, but this design with this narrow edge here, you know, I don't know why. They could have put the pool like right here, and then they'd have at least an edge that wide on that side. Even the pool could have been close to a coconut tree, could have had a wider edge. When we build our own house, you know, it'll be good, proper design, because I designed the pool on him at Bay Inn, which is now Sunshine View Hotel. I designed all that, so you know, I know how to design things good. Yeah, I got some yellow. See if I have enough to paint that. I think I do. And it's looking good. Look at the beautiful blue water. This is an update for you guys so you know what's going on here with us here in Mexico. We are in Merida, Yucatan. Oh, I gotta go wash out my paintbrush. Sit down, have a Coke Zero in front of the fan, and we shall see you in the next video, guys. Merida, Yucatan. This is what they're doing. Hey, don't forget to watch my videos from India. I still got from Thailand. I still have from Vietnam. Got a bunch of videos left, so check those out. Bye bye. Plus some Merida videos coming up. Till I get back to Belize again, then more Belize videos. Bye bye.